Just 5 videos. That is all it took for this Faceless channel to hit 3.5 million views and 126,000 subscribers. His very first video got over 500k views, something most YouTubers just dream about but rarely achieve, even after years of consistent creation. So who is this Faceless YouTuber and how was he able to achieve such massive success so quickly? The Faceless channel I am talking about is Isaac. And ever since his first video, he has taken YouTube by storm. I remember watching this video when it first came out, but it wasn't until a few weeks ago when I finally decided to deep dive into his channel and analyze everything. His title, his thumbnails, his scripts, and I am happy to tell you that his success isn't just a result of blind luck. It's a result of very carefully designed and created videos that follow a very clear strategy. And today I am breaking down that strategy for you in 5 super actionable points so that you can apply them to your own channel to skyrocket your own growth. There's a lot to cover in this video, so let's dive straight into the very first strategy. Using the YouTube algorithm to your advantage. Isaac knows the YouTube algorithm inside out. And that's why his videos work so well. The YouTube algorithm wants only one thing: people to stay on YouTube. And Isaac knows exactly how to do this by creating videos that people want to click on and that people want to watch. Take his first video, for example. It was all about YouTube Shorts and it dropped on June 30th, 2023. Now, if you head on over to Google Trends and type in YouTube Shorts and then filter out the search results for the past 5 years, you will see a massive spike in interest between June and September of 2023. This means that viewers on YouTube were actively watching videos related to YouTube Shorts. I'm pretty sure that Isaac did his research, saw that trend, and knew that a video on YouTube Shorts would be a hit. And guess what? He was right. His first video got 513,000 views. Basically, Isaac optimized every video for maximum searchability. He knows exactly what his audience is looking for and he creates the content that they want to click on. Once they click, he uses the classic storytelling formula to make them watch the entire video. We'll dive deep into his script writing process later on in the video, but for now, let's focus on how you can make the algorithm work for you too. Here's how you can do that in 4 easy steps. First, find out what people in your niche are actively watching. For that, you can go to competitor channels and go to their popular videos to see which of their recent videos have performed really well. Make videos on those exact topics. To bulletproof this strategy, once you find out a topic, go to Google Trends and check if people are still actively searching for that particular term or that particular topic. If the spike is still going on, you can definitely make a video on that topic and it is bound to do well. 2. Create videos on topics that have worked well for you in the past if you have had a channel for a while. In Isaac's case, after getting a good response to the YouTube short video, he made another video called How I Actually Make Viral Shorts, and that became the best performing video on his channel, garnering 1.9 million views till date. So when you find a topic that resonates with your audience, keep tapping into it. 3. Build a content library of related videos. This helps YouTube's algorithm recommend your own videos to your viewers. For example, if someone watches Isaac's video on I tried YouTube Shorts for 365 days, YouTube will immediately suggest How I Actually Make Viral Shorts as the next video to watch. Now, YouTube is suggesting this video because they understand that the viewer who clicked on the previous video is already interested in this topic and they want to keep the viewer on the platform. So if they suggest similar topics, the viewer is more likely to stick around. And finally, if you've already been making videos for a while, dig into your YouTube analytics and see what other creators' videos are sending traffic to your channel. These are topics that overlap between you and them, and so you want to consider making videos on these topics because they are likely to perform well. Don't worry if all of this feels like a lot to take in because it's totally normal. YouTube is hard work. You learn how to do everything step by step throughout your YouTube journey. Even Isaac did not get it right from the first day. In fact, this is not his first channel. Before launching his current one, he ran a YouTube Shorts channel called Zio, where he still posts Marvel-related content. The experience and the lessons he learned from that channel helped him fine-tune his approach for this new channel. So, if you're feeling overwhelmed, just remember that each step you take builds on the last, and you'll improve as you go. This brings us to strategy number 2. Package your videos well. Isaac not only knows how to find great video ideas, but he also knows how to package them in a way that makes viewers click. It all starts with his titles. They're short, they're straightforward, straightforward and they're to the point. You instantly know what the video is about, which is exactly why people are drawn to it. There's no mystery, there's no clickbait, just clear information that grabs attention. His thumbnails follow the same formula. There is nothing extra cluttering up the space, just bold yellow text and his AI avatar. This helps people instantly recognize his videos even when they're scrolling through hundreds of others. That familiarity makes them stop and want to click. It's not by accident, it's actually by design, and very clever design. And as you can see, it absolutely works. The lesson for you is to keep your titles short and crystal clear, as well as keep your thumbnails simple and very clear to understand. Viewers should immediately understand the topic at a glance. And if you want to understand how to create killer thumbnails for your YouTube videos, we've already got a video on that, so make sure you go check that out next. Another great move that Isaac makes is sticking to the same AI voice in all of his videos. This familiarity keeps viewers engaged, it keeps them loyal, it keeps them coming back, and it gives his channel a distinct identity. You should ideally also consider doing the same, and nowadays with AI, it's super easy to actually create a clone of your own voice. You can do this with InVideo AI. Just log in, use the voice cloning feature, upload an audio recording of your voice, and boom, your voice is cloned for only you to use, and you can use that in any video you create. The idea here is to keep everything consistent and recognizable, from the visuals to the voice, because that makes your channel stand out and keeps people coming back for more. This brings us to strategy number 3. Write engaging scripts. While many YouTubers suggest making long videos, Isaac goes in the opposite direction. His scripts are actually short, they're to the point, and they cut out any fluff. So to make it easier for you guys to understand, let's look at Isaac's script style. It's split into 3 key parts: the hook, the middle, and the end. Now for the explanation today, let's analyze one of his most popular videos, how I actually make viral shorts. This is the hook for that video.
My shorts channel has over 20 million views and many viral videos, but my recent shorts aren't really doing well. Most of them stuck after getting that first a few thousand views. Again and again and again, I need to break this cycle. So in this video, I will try to create a short completely from scratch, get at least 1 million views, and show how much money I made from it. Let's dive in.
In the first few seconds, Isaac reassures the viewers that his video is not clickbait. The title promises insights on how to make viral shorts, and right away he tells his audience that he has a shorts channel with 20 million views in total. This confirmation hooks the viewers because they know they are getting exactly what they clicked for. Then he presents a problem. Isaac uses a storytelling technique that mirrors many films. The hero is thriving but then encounters a challenge. Similarly, Isaac talks about how his shorts channel was booming with views, but then suddenly the views drop. Now he's on a mission to hit 1 million subscribers. Notice how this isn't just a regular how-to video. Isaac is taking his audience on a journey. It's an adventure where he faces obstacles and his viewers are along for the ride. It feels more like a mini movie than a simple instructional video. So here's what we have learned so far. The hook should ideally repeat the key phrases and the key visual elements from your title and your thumbnail. This instantly reassures your viewers that the video is not clickbait and that they are in the right place. And second, focus on storytelling. Take the viewers on a journey instead of just doing a linear path of telling your information. Now let's watch the rest of the intro.
What day is it?
It's August 7, 2023.
We need to find Isaac.
At the end of this video, you will have a viral strategy to use in your next shorts and a full guide on how to make it no matter your niche or experience.
Isaac doesn't just say what his video is about. He tells his audience what they will gain from watching the whole thing. He is essentially making a promise in his video that the viewer expects will get fulfilled by the end of the video. This is a great strategy. Lay out the key promise clearly. Maybe you show your viewers how to earn money on Instagram using AI in just 10 simple steps. Or maybe you're teaching them how to articulate their thoughts in just 30 days. Here's a pro tip. Tease a bonus right in the hook. Tell them that you'll share 3 extra tips on how to be more charismatic or something similar. This keeps viewers watching because now they're curious about that bonus and they want to stick around for it. Next, let's understand how Isaac drafts the middle section of his video.
So after 3 hours of serious research, here's the new spell. Now let's get to work. This was the first mistake I was making in my old videos. And if you can't make a viral short, that's probably what you're missing as well. If you have a bad video idea, you can't make it go viral, no matter how good you write your script or edit. Well, how to pick a killer video idea.
In the intro, Isaac promised to reveal his viral recipe formula. In this part, he is delivering on that promise by breaking down each component one by one. It's clear, it's structured, and it's easy to follow. He is showing the exact steps that he has taken, and that is actually a great strategy to aim for in your videos as well. Present your content in a clear, concise format and make it digestible so that it's engaging for the end viewer. Now, let's see how he wraps up his videos.
However, the last short I published was 1 month ago. Views are going down again, the channel is losing traction. I need to break this cycle. But I guess this time I'm not alone. So, let's do it one last time.
See, there are two ways to end a video. The first way is the most used one, where you recommend your viewers to watch another video on your channel. It's a smart strategy because when viewers watch another video, it signals to YouTube that your content is binge-worthy. YouTube wants viewers to stay on the platform, so if your content keeps them on the platform, the algorithm will push out more of your videos. The second way is to tie a similar theme from the start back into the ending. At the start of the video, Isaac mentions that he runs a shorts channel focused on Marvel content. Towards the end, he expresses his frustration about the lack of views on that channel, and to encourage himself and his audience to keep trying, he cleverly uses a popular montage from the Avengers Endgame film where the Avengers unite to fight Thanos. This actually ties the theme of perseverance to his video, and this is a remarkable way to conclude his video because it gives his viewers a heightened sense of satisfaction and they want to keep coming back for more. After all, a YouTuber's goal is to make their audience feel fulfilled by the end, and Isaac nails that with this kind of conclusion. And with that, we move on to the next strategy: speak from experience. If you look at Isaac's titles and his videos themselves, every piece of advice he's giving is based on personal experience. He is not just repeating information that he found online, which is the mistake that most faceless channels make. They just reiterate whatever everyone else is saying. Speaking from experience is a game changer because this builds credibility, which is often one of the most important factors when it comes to growth on YouTube. It massively impacts audience building. Credibility is the reason that YouTubers like 10x Income have gained 334,000 subscribers and 12 million views with just 47 videos. And if you want to learn how he's done that, we've analyzed his channel in this video. Today, with AI tools like ChatGPT, anybody can create a basic script. So what sets your videos apart? It's the personal touch that you bring to them. Sharing your own stories, your lessons, your experiences makes your content stand out. Ask yourself, do you have a personal story that can make your point clearer to the audience? For example, if you're discussing how to start a YouTube channel, share a story about your first video and the challenges that you faced while trying to create your first YouTube channel. Another effective way to connect with your audience is to explain why you made that video. What problem or event pushed you to create it? People love hearing the reasoning behind the content because it shows that you're a human and you're relatable. At the end of the day, viewers connect with real people, not just information. So adding your own experience and personality into your videos goes a long way. Coming to the next strategy on the list, make your videos a visual treat. Isaac's videos are a treat to watch from start to finish. The visuals perfectly complement the story he's telling, making his videos not just informative but also engaging and memorable. That's one of the reasons why his viewers keep coming back for more. And here's the thing, you do not need weeks of editing to make your videos this captivating. The secret is in how you present your visuals. Focus on making sure that what is on screen matches what you're talking about, and that the visuals are constantly changing to keep things fresh and exciting. A golden rule of thumb is to change your visuals every 3 to 5 seconds in long videos and every 1 to 2 seconds in short videos. You want to maintain momentum throughout the video, and this is one of the best ways to do that. Also, make sure that you trim out any dull or repetitive moments. Once your content is ready, show it to a friend or family member and see if their attention wavers or drops off somewhere. These are the parts that might be boring for your audience as well, and those are the moments that you need to edit out or cut out. The goal is to keep your audience fully engaged from the start to finish. And with InVideo AI, this actually becomes a lot easier to do because you are able to transform your idea into a full-fledged, fully edited video with relevant stock footage in no time, and you can make any edits you want using a command box and giving the AI instructions. Just remember to make your videos a visual experience that feels dynamic and sharp. When the visuals flow smoothly, smoothly with your message, the audience will stick around. Isaac has consistently used these 5 steps to grow his channel. If you look at any video on Isaac's channel, he has used all of these 5 strategies to consistently grow his channel, even with such few videos. And if you combine these techniques with the strategies that 10x Income is using, you are going to save yourself years of trial and error and monetize your channel in no time. So if you want to understand how 10x Income catapulted his channel to success, make sure you go check out this video next. I highly recommend it because it will change how you approach YouTube. And let us know in the comments which of these strategies you found most useful. And don't forget to leave a link to your channel so that you can get a shout out in our next video.